No long intro for this video. I'm gonna show you how I built this, a tree fort for the company I own, Backyard Fort Co. Ready, set, go. This tree fort is 8 by 14 feet long. It's supported in the front with something called a tri-beam, which are 4 by 6s in a triangular shape, supported with a tab bolt on the top, directly inserted into the tree, and a lag bolt on the bottom. Then there is a tree that goes technically through the middle of the deck. In the back, we're using 6 by 6s and a gusset to support it along the joist. In the back, you can see here we created a second little platform with a ship's ladder up to the back with a door. We switched out. They had originally decided they wanted to do some horizontal railings with some deck boards, but then they moved to do a bit of rope railings, which I really like how that turned out. Up the ship's ladder, there's some small handles at the top to grab onto. Again, this is just a small 3x4 platform, so we could open the door. We like to put a latch on the door and a small handle. As you'll see here, there's a few different windows, shuttered. We do some like magnets as well, so they don't blow open with the wind. We'll go inside here. Again, this is a 6x8 platform. Nope, 6x8 structure, sorry. Just to kind of fit the platform size. Wider window on this side. And again, they can kind of close with those magnets, just like so. And then out the front door. These doors are about 32 inches by 5 feet tall. Again, these railings really turned out cool. I bought this rope right on Amazon. It wasn't too expensive, and spaced the holes every 4 inches or so and then strung them through. This is a little walkway that they wanted to kind of be able to explore the backwoods back here, just with a little straight up and down ladder. And this is a bucket and pulley that I always add to most of my forts, just with a little cleat to hook on the rope to. Window in the front with some shutters as well, and then I'll just walk back through the fort. We keep it really open on the top, just, so we can get light in there and it doesn't get too musty. Here's a few more views of the outside. Really like how this one turned out. I specifically like how the front hangs over the tree, kind of giving it that true tree fort look. And that's about it. If this was interesting to you and you want to see more, let me know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe. I may even put out a whole video of step-by-step how to build a tree fort similar to this. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, see you later.